Are you curious about Forex trading but don't know where to start? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know as a complete beginner, step by step with zero fluff. Let's dive into the world of Forex. Section 1. What is Forex trading? The Forex market, or foreign exchange market, is where currencies are traded. Think of it as the global marketplace for money. Every day, over 7 trillion worth of currency changes hands here. You're basically buying one currency while selling another, trying to profit from price movements. Section 2. How to start Forex trading. Getting started with Forex trading is easier than you think. Here's what you'll need. 1. A reliable Forex broker. 2. A trading platform like MetaTrader 4 or 5. 3. A stable internet connection. 4. Most importantly, basic knowledge and practice. Tip. Always start with a demo account. It's risk-free and helps you build confidence before trading with real money. Section 3. Key Forex terms you must know. Here are a few basic terms every trader should know. PIP. The smallest price change in a currency pair. Leverage. Borrowed capital that lets you control larger trades. Spread. The difference between buying and selling price. Lot size. The volume of your trade. Knowing these terms will help you understand the market better and reduce beginner mistakes. Section 4. Pros and risks of Forex trading. Pros. Open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. And low startup capital. High profit potential. Risks. Leverage can increase both gains and losses. Market volatility can be brutal. Emotional trading can lead to poor decisions. Risk management is everything. Never trade money you can't afford to lose. Section 5. Where to learn Forex. You don't need a finance degree to become a good trader. There are free courses on YouTube, or you can take structured lessons on platforms like Udemy or babypips.com. Read ebooks, follow market news, and keep practicing. Success comes with time. And that's your beginner's guide to Forex trading. If this video helped you, hit the like button, drop a comment with any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more trading tips and tutorials.